Hello everyone, it's Skip here with another. So, I'm going to be recording. I hope you like the goodness of this video better than the other ones. So, anyways, this is gonna work well. Sorry, I have to look at two screens to record. So, anyways. We don't know what I'm gonna talk about. Anyways, I'm gonna do some stuff. So, now, like I said in the other video, I'll be doing videos with some other videos. Oh wait, I gotta change the sound to So everybody, I am going to be playing Terraria. Wait, I'm gonna turn down the sound. I don't know what he's doing. People, please tell me what this video. No, isn't in general. Music. I want that everywhere. Oh, hang on, dudes. No, you can't have any peeps. Alright, so, people. Change the music. Alright, people. I'm recording. So, this is one of my first times recording with better FPS. And it's working well, it looks like. I don't know what happened. I'm out of potions. Okay, well, I'm fighting Solar Eclipse right now, anyways. Whoa, what's going on? Okay. So, I am fighting a Solar Eclipse. Don't know what that is. Hang on, let me just make this full screen. It might be a little bit of a blackout. Okay, so now full screen. Wait, I'm gonna make it on full screen because I need to see the recording screen. Okay, so this is the Solar Eclipse. I'm going to fight the towers as well. Tell me what you want me to do. I got that. Okay. Reaper dead. No, I don't care. Sorry, computer telling me crap. There you are. Star Cell, die. This is the Stardust Tower. I always go to this one. I have no idea. I haven't played Terraria actually in years. That video may have seemed new, but it was actually pre-recorded. So, I am going to find a different tower. And I don't want to go inside. Mouse work. Die, peeps. Not you guys. You guys are awesome. So, tell me what you want me to do. I tried Minecraft. It didn't work well. But it was Minecraft.
Do you like a carpet?
So, I just got destroyed. I will do mostly Terraria because it works best. But, stay, stop. That was awesome. Okay, so, what do you think I should do? Jay, what should I do? Wow, small mountain. Dude. So like, I haven't played Terraria in a long time, so this is so long. Oh, Butcher's Chainsaw. Well, I guess it's becoming a showcase. So, this is the Butcher's Chainsaw. It does 134 damage. I don't know what stuff you have to have left. Anyway, it does 134 damage. This is a chainsaw that also works as a weapon. This chainsaw is very strong, actually. It does 139 damage, able to take down the full man launch. See that? So, this is the chainsaw. Butcher's chainsaw. This weapon is great. You get it from the butcher in the solar eclipse. You can also summon this. They added a thing in this called the solar tablet. It's used to summon the solar eclipse. Oh my god, the blood move. Anyway. This weapon can also cut down trees. Kill unicorns and everything. Watch. And it can even do this. Like that. You can saw your enemies in two. It's awesome, pretty much. I'll see you all next time. This has been the Butcher's Chainsaw, and